there, friends on YouTube. My name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe, please. If you've been here before, thank you. For my next video, I'd like to do one on the new Samsung Galaxy S24ultra, and this is part of their AI, and it's really hidden, and it's their colorization feature. Colorizing a photo. Okay, so first thing we do is just dive right in here. You want to go into your gallery and pick a picture. I actually downloaded this with no colorization at all. I Googled black and white picture and it came across this. So this is obviously a sunflower. The petals are supposed to be yellow. Okay, so with that being said, what you want to do to colorize your pictures is get on your picture and you swipe up. And there's an option right here, colorize or remaster. So let's go ahead. Again, this is real simple. It's just hard to find. So go to colorize. We'll see it doing its AI. So that's always an AI indicator. So now we have our before and our after. So, which I think is pretty darn neat. How did that know that that flower is yellow without it knowing that it detected a sunflower, then it detected putting the color on? So what you do then is obviously you save it, and there you have it. That's how to colorize. You swipe up, and it doesn't say colorize now because it's been colorized. But I found a few instances where you'll have a black and white picture and the colorize option won't work. I'm not sure. I think it might not have enough information to colorize it. But if you know why, put it in the comments, and it would be interesting to know why some pictures can be colorized and other photos can't. So that's my video on how to colorize a photo on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below, and until next time, I'm out.